Tankless versus heat pump water heaters. Tankless and heat pump water heaters have made significant contributions to the advancement of sustainable water heater technology. Both are excellent options for lowering energy costs while also benefiting the environment. Heat pump water heaters are typically more efficient than tankless heaters. However, they don't provide instant hot water and take up a decent amount of space. Tankless water heaters use more energy but provide a constant, instant supply of hot water. It's best to consult with a professional when deciding which water heater is best for you. Technicians at Milano Mechanical can provide sound advice on whether a tankless or heat pump water heater is best for your property and budget. Call Milano Mechanical at 707-664-7520 for more information, and be sure to ask about rebates available of up to $7,100 on select heat pump water heaters in certain zip codes.